Hey, what's up everybody? I am really excited about this new product release. We're calling it Nebula, and it contains 25 Nebula VDBs that you can load into any render engine or app that supports VDB files. Every Nebula comes with 4 different color variations you can pick from: black and white, a pink and purple gradient, a blue and purple gradient, and a orange and blue gradient. And you can just drop these onto a starry background and you get an instant, fully 3-dimensional Nebula, which looks absolutely stunning. When you purchase it, you will be able to choose from the 4 different colors. So pick the Nebula option that you want, and then you can pick the color you want and download that option. The 4 color options are applied using a channel called CD Color Channel, and you can use that in almost any render engine. I haven't tested these in every render engine, but you should be able to figure out on most of them. So I'm going to show you how to use them in 3 of the most popular render engines, and we're going to start with Redshift. All right, so we have our Redshift volume here, and I'll delete the texture tag. All you have to do is go to Create Redshift Material, and there is a volume material. We'll put that onto the Redshift volume, double click it and open it up. We'll click on that volume, and we're going to change a couple of settings here. Under channel, under the scatter, we're going to click on presets. We're going to go to Redshift volume, and we're going to use the density. So it's going to use the density for that. And then to use that colored channel, we'll go to color channel here. We'll go to preset. We'll go to Redshift volume, and there is this CD. This is what you're going to click to add the color. And if we apply this to our Redshift volume and hit render, you're going to get that colored channel. All right, let's talk about Octane. Unfortunately, Octane cannot access the CD color data, but there are a couple workarounds to add multiple colors to the Nebula, which you can use. Hopefully, Octane will fix this in the future and add some of these options in the future. But right now, you'll have to change the color in the absorption and the color in the scattering, and then you're going to get a bit of a gradient here. You can see we'll have the darker purple and the lighter purple. And if we just play with these colors, you can get some very nice results. And if we change the colors to blue and yellow, you can see that we have another color ramp in here. So it's a little bit more work. You're gonna have to play around with the 2 color options to get the color you want dialed in, but it is possible. Let's jump over to Arnold quick. If you use Arnold, it's also very easy. All you have to do is go to Create Arnold Volume, Standard Volume. So what we can do is increase the density, and by default, it's gonna have the density channel already loaded up. But in the scattering under channel, we're going to add the color here, and you can do that by just hitting capital C and then D. That's all you have to do is just type in CD. This is case sensitive, so make sure it's a capital C and a lowercase d, and then you're going to have the color data all set up and you're ready to go. Just drag and drop this onto your Arnold volume. So that's a quick overview of the Nebula pack. You can drop these onto your skies or motion designs, and you can get a deep space vibe with incredible detail. Also, you could experiment with using these as sort of a moody or violent looking cloudscape. It's another great application you could play with. The deep sky is the limit for you with Nebula, and it's available now at the Pixel Lab. Enjoy.